So how can you make the screen bigger on your iPad? Well, there are some settings which you can apply which will make the way your iPad looks appear bigger. So we can go to the settings app like this, and in the left panel, make sure you find the display and brightness menu like this. And then now at the bottom of this menu, you should see the display zoom, and it kind of depends on which option you have, because there is either the more space or default. And as you can see, default makes everything look much bigger. The app icons are larger, the text bubbles are taking up more space, so just make sure you are not set on the more space, which would make things a lot smaller, and just switch to the default mode. But that's just one thing. Outside of that, still within the display and brightness, we can find the section for text size, right? And in here, you get a slider which basically controls how large the text is. Now, as you can see, if I slide it all the way to the left, the text is barely readable at this point, right? So I'd like to keep it a little bit larger, so just definitely give it a try and see where on the spectrum you actually want to have it. If we come back like this, we can as well make the text a little bit bolder, because below we have the toggle for bold text. This doesn't make things necessarily larger, but the text is thicker, right? So as you can see, if I enable it, it makes it a little bit easier to read, I guess. So that's something you can definitely do, right? And then when we come back to the home screen, you can also make the apps look a little bit larger. Because when you hold down on a blank area on the home screen, click on the edit button in the top left corner. Just make sure you press it properly, because I didn't first time, and click on the customize button. And in here you can change the way icons look, but you can also make the icons look smaller or larger with disappearing and showing up the the titles below. So there are like these small things which can make things larger on the iPad. Let me give you another example. If you are browsing the website of, for example, apple.com, but it can be literally anything else, you are browsing something on the internet, next to the URL we have a little rectangle with lines button, so you can click on it like this, like that actually. And when you click on the larger A icon, you can bump up the size and make the screen bigger, make everything bigger, but specifically for this website. So as you can see, if I prefer to read it this way, I can bump up the size of the website. So that's kind of how it works across the board. I hope that I was able to explain it. If you have some additional questions, leave them below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.